In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable fast charging. If you turn on fast charging on your mobile, then your mobile will be fully charged within 30 minutes. To learn it, watch the whole video. So, without any further ado, let's get started. For this, first of all, open your mobile settings. Now scroll down and find out Battery and Device Care. Then tap on it. From the Device Care function, you have to tap on Battery. Now, one thing you have to keep in your mind. If your mobile has fast charging feature, then you will find it. Otherwise, you won't find this fast charging option. I hope you understand. So, let's continue the tutorial. From here, you gotta tap on More Battery Settings. Now, here you will see fast charging option at the bottom. To enable it, tap on this toggle. The fast charging mode has been enabled. Following this simple procedure, you can also enable your fast charging mode on your mobile.